What's up, guys? Derek Johnson from the Freedom Factory here, and today I'm going to share this video. This was a live little walkthrough I did on Facebook, but I wanted to share with you guys as well. Apologize for the quality. When you export video from Facebook, it's not always the best, but basically I'm covering a blog post, and the topic is Link Wizard. So if you've seen anything previously, you kind of know some of the benefits over other services like Bitly. I dove into more of the features in this video. So down in the comments and also the description, you'll see a link to that blog post. You can go check it out. I put some of the different links, like the opt-in links, the rotating links, and stuff like that in that blog post, so you can test those, see how they work. And if you have any questions, let me know. Also, there's a contest, so if you drop a comment on the blog, once I hit 10 comments, I'm gonna pick a winner to get Link Wizard free for life. So go ahead and do that. Make sure you visit the blog, drop a comment on that blog, and make sure you use your email address so I can pick a winner. Other than that, let's jump right into the video and we'll cover all the stuff that Link Wizard can do. Let's get right to it.
Basically, I'm going to show you some things from the blog. So I made a pretty good post a couple months ago talking about Link Wizard and didn't really promote it too much. But if you ever want to know anything about Link Wizard, you can come to this post. It's just tryjohnson.com. Go to the blog and find this post right here. I pretty much cover everything Link Wizard can do, including why you need to stop using Bitly. So if you're marketing online and you have Bitly links on your profile or Linktree or any of that kind of stuff, you should probably look at switching to Link Wizard, just for the simple fact that you can customize this link to your custom domain. So every time I create a Link Wizard link, I'm actually building my brand here. So I'm not building Bitly's brand, I'm not building Linktree's brand. So that's one of the benefits. But we can go through some of this here, and I'll drop this post underneath this live video as well, if anyone's interested in checking this out. So we'll drop this here. Now this is a Link Wizard link right here. So I'm going to show you inside the Link Wizard dashboard kind of how this works. So this is that exact link, go.tryjohnson.com/chirply. So if I click this link, a couple things are happening. It's redirecting to the destination URL. It's adding a Facebook pixel to whoever clicked that. So I'm gathering that data. I can use that for retargeting ads. And I'm tracking my clicks here. So you should see this click count go up since I just clicked that link. Page 2, I think. So you can track your clicks, make sure you're getting actual clicks on your links. You can set it up to track conversions as well. This one isn't set up yet. But basically, if you have an opt-in, you can track what percentage of leads are opting into your links. And you can track sales too if it's attached to a cart. Like this one is. I can set up an event on the destination page. So one right here, just to track users. And then on the thank you page, I can track the sale, because if they see the thank you page, that means they've completed their checkout process. Now this is custom branded. It's very easy to set up a subdomain and use your custom domain. So you can track and optimize your website, any sales funnels or any other lead sources. You can use these in Facebook groups. And what's cool is you can even share your Facebook group link or YouTube subscribe link and add a pixel to those links. So normally, if you have a website, you can easily pixel your website, right? You can just go into the code and add that little script that Facebook gives you and pixel your website. But if you're sharing your Facebook group, you're not going to be able to do that because you don't have access to the code inside Facebook. But with Link Wizard, you can create a custom Link Wizard link for your Facebook group, and you do add the pixel. So even though you're not sending people to a website, you're gathering that data of hot leads that you're getting organically from your profile. And if you're tracking sales and that stuff, you can build a powerful lookalike audience from that data over time, pretty much for free, just by using Link Wizard. So, like I said, this one was set up to track conversions here. So I was getting a 1% sale rate through the link that I was using. Now you can retarget if you don't have any experience with Facebook ads. I recommend just going here, go to business.facebook.com and set up your free ads account. All you need is a business page. Anyone can run ads. You don't have to be an agency. There's a little learning curve to it, but you can play around with it if it's something you want to do. But even if you don't want to do it, go in right now, if you haven't already, create the account and set up a Facebook pixel, because you could be gathering data right now. And if you're not doing that, you're just wasting a lot of leads that are naturally coming through and clicking your links anyway. So if you're getting leads and sales through Facebook and you don't have your Facebook pixel set up, you need to do that right away. So I highly recommend going and getting that set up. Inside a Link Wizard, each link you create, you'll have that option to add that Facebook pixel right here. So if I go like edit this link, you can kind of see here that option to choose a pixel. So I have my pixel set up right there. You can also add tags and add a custom link preview. So this is what the link will look like if you share it on social media. So you can completely customize everything about the link, the title and description here, and you can add an image right here. So that's going to make your links look nicer. It's also, able to be branded to you. So you can put your custom domain right there. It's going to increase your click-through rate. You're getting pixel data. The image looks nice. You can make it real clean. You can completely optimize the title and description exactly how you want it to be. So really powerful. And that's for shortening links or whatever you want to do. Another powerful feature is you can come in here and change the destination link at a later time. So with Bitly, you cannot do that. With that free version of Bitly, you cannot do that. So say this was your destination link, and for some reason you changed subdomains or your website was down for a while. Your links are just going to be broken. Anywhere that you use this short link that you created, if it's bit.ly/short link, it's going to be broken. If you have that issue and you had a link wizard link, all you have to do is come in here and edit this destination link, and you can send your traffic to wherever else you want them to go. So that's pretty powerful. You can also create file links. So I use these all the time. It's good for sharing files that would typically be too big to just send. If you have deliverables that you want to send people, this is a good way to do that as well. If you're marketing on Facebook organically and you're creating those, value ladder posts or comment ladders where people have to comment to get the thing, and you want to automate that process, create a file link, because we all know as soon as you post the actual way to get that, it's going to kill the engagement on that post. But if you have a link wizard link like this one, you can post the link, but people still can't get it because they have to enter the password. So you can automate that process, but still people cannot just click the link. They're going to have to comment on your post, and that's going to boost that engagement. So that's a powerful tool for you right there. Like I said, completely control the link preview. Update the destination links at any time. I've had issues with that myself. I was running ads to my Chirply funnel, and as I was migrating from ClickFunnels to Drop Funnels, basically my funnel got broken that I was running paid ads to. So I had to go in, and thankfully I had a link wizard link. All I had to do was go in and swap that out, and boom, my funnel was working again, and people could access that. So we covered file links. You have 500 megabytes. You can upload, password protect those files, or you can turn that option off if you want someone to just be able to click and instantly download those files as well. Now, here's a powerful feature. You can create opt-in links. So this is basically a little lead funnel kind of. So in just a few seconds, you can create one of these. Here's a preview of this one. So this is what it looks like. And you can customize the background and stuff like that. But you can ask for name, email, and phone number. And you can customize this title up here. Basically like a miniature Google form. And then we integrate with Zapier as well. So you can do whatever you want with that data. If you use something like Chirply, you can create one of these opt-in links and instantly send a phone call or a text message, outbound IVR, stuff like that. You could send people straight to your autoresponder from this opt-in link. So super powerful there as well. And then here's that Linktree style link that a lot of people like. So if you have multiple resources you want to post on your profile, whether it's Facebook or Instagram, you can do that here. But what's really cool about this versus Linktree is, first off, you're customizing the link again to your own domain, not a Linktree link, it's your domain. So building your brand every chance you can. You can have people contact you multiple ways through Messenger, phone, or email right here. You can link to your social media accounts down at the bottom. I really only use these three. But you can have as many as you want down here. And then you're going to have all these links as well you can post. But what's really cool about these is it's tracking all the clicks. So when people come to your little social link right here, You can track how many people clicked message, how many people clicked phone call or email, whatever it might be. And then go in and look at that data. See which offers you have are performing the best, stuff like that. So that's this opt-in link, or the social profile link, I should say. So you can see I was testing this here. I got 108 clicks on Messenger, 104 clicks for my Facebook page. I got 211 link clicks. I got 27 on YouTube, 100 to LinkedIn, 100 calls, and 100 emails. So just kind of cool stuff you can do to track that kind of stuff on your profile. And then the last thing is rotating links. So this is good for split testing. If you have kind of two different funnels and you wanted to split test which one's performing better, you can set them up for conversion and sale tracking. And you can see this is a rotating link here. So you can click this link 3 times and it's going to send you to a different destination each time. So if I click once, it goes to my Chirply funnel where you can sign up for that. If I click it again, same link, it's going to go to Link Wizard, where you can get access to Link Wizard for a one-time payment. And if I click it one more time again, same link, it's going to go to Friend Connector. So you can automate sending friend requests and grow organically on Facebook. So those are pretty much all the features. Like I said, I posted a link to this blog post in the comments. So what I'm going to do is, if anyone wants to come here and leave me a comment, and I get at least 10 comments on this blog post, I'm going to give away a copy of Link Wizard 100% free for life to one of those people. So that's the only thing you have to do. Go to Link Wizard, or this blog post about Link Wizard. Check it out. Drop me a comment on the blog. Once we hit 10 comments, I'll look at doing a drawing and randomly give away one person a copy of Link Wizard. So hopefully that works for everybody. If you got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, hopefully you guys got some value out of this, and I convert some people from Bitly or Linktree for an easy one-time payment of Link Wizard. I also launched an affiliate program for Link Wizard as well. So if you want to earn 40% commissions from referring people to me to get a Link Wizard account, you can ask me more about that. So basically the one-time fee right now is $197. So you would earn 40% for each person that you send to me. I think that comes out to be about $77 or so. And they're getting this quality product. So it's a win-win-win. I like to make those situations whenever possible. But I'm going to jump off here for now. Hopefully you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next video.
So basically that's it, guys. Go ahead and visit that blog post. Check out Link Wizard. I'll post links below in the comments, and hopefully one of you guys will be winning Link Wizard for free. On top of that, right now I have a really good deal going on Link Wizard, so even if you were to just buy it outright, you can do that as well. And there's an affiliate program. I'm still accepting affiliates for that. So if you want to earn 40% commission for promoting Link Wizard, you can do that as well. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you on the next video.